Well, hello, you guys. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Only reason I didn't show you guys why I did not show you guys how I cook this, but you know what? Um, I have many. Hold on for a second. Okay, this is really just taco meat that I had cooked one time, and I think this just leftover. And so when I have leftover taco meat, and then what I did, you guys, I just add like I'll show you what's that white stuff here. I just add like pinto beans, with it. Yes. And these is like two different cheese, you guys. Okay. Now, this white stuff right here, kind of like this right here. See that little white grind cheese? I'm going to show you guys. I had to write it down because I could. It's kind of in Spanish. Queso. I know that's queso Cotija, but that's that cheese. Then I got some American cheese, sliced American cheese melted in it, and I'm gonna use the white corn tortilla. It's gonna make me a little quick taco. And this is the salsa that I'm gonna put over it. I got some little tomatoes and some shredded lettuce. Okay, so and this right here is I kind of fried me some salt. This is the corn tortilla, okay? You could tell, see? Okay, that's what that is. Put that back. But anywho, and this is what I'm drinking on, you guys. I love this. I love this. This is so good, you know? 7 Up. But anyway, anywho, I just want to come back to show you guys. And this could be, if you guys keep watching my video and you could see, well, you guys subscribe to my cooking channel, you will see I have different ideas on leftover food and stuff, and you can make this. Oh my goodness, you know. But again, that little white stuff, again, that's what that is. This right here, that's what that is. Where my finger at. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm going to eat this. I'm not gonna stay too long. I just want to come back to show you guys, especially if you guys been rocking with me ever since I, came out with my cooking channel and stuff. So I just want you know, to make sure that you guys get good stuff to like cook on my cooking channel, especially you guys are. But anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to see them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any question, subscribe. Again, I really appreciate it. And again, if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day. Be safe, okay? And I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to make my tacos, okay? Okay, so I'm going to pause it because I don't have my stand. Okay, you guys, so just remember the cheese is already mixed in with the tortilla. So when I do, get some of my lettuce. Okay, kind of put it over like this. And this is, like I said, you guys, this is leftover. And I got plenty of recipe where I make my taco meat and stuff. So yeah. Then what I did, I just added so canned pinto beans. Add some fruit, tomato. And I'm just going to do one, you guys, to show you guys just how I eat it. And this is my sauce that I'm using. I just kind of sprinkle like that. Like that, you guys. I'm just showing you guys because I got several that I fried some corn, white corn flour tortilla. Okay, and that is my taco. There you guys go, and you guys could get the first bite. I don't mind. You guys got the first bite. That's how it look. Let me take a screenshot. And now I am to take my bite. Hope I don't make no mess. But you know what? I don't want to make no mess. Let me pause it. If I could take my bite. Oh, my. You got it. If you have some leftover taco meat, and just put you a can of couple of cans of pinto beans. Depends on how much taco meat you have. Lettuce, tomato. You saw I missed the cheese. Oh my goodness. That is so delicious. Okay, I just want to come back to show you guys there. And sorry about that vegan licking. I will see you guys in the next upload video. And you know what? I do have the name of the cheese and the flat white corn tortilla. I will show you a picture in with the video. Okay? All righty. Until next time, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye-bye. All right.